how to upload your songs to SoundCloud. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can upload songs to SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to basically upload songs to your SoundCloud, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the SoundCloud application. Now for this, remember that you have to use the app, and that is a compulsory process. You cannot do this from a browser. Once you go to SoundCloud app, log into your account. At the very top of the screen, you'll find a little upper arrow icon where if you just tap on it, it will give you the options to select a music file from your device. So go ahead and go to the downloads or the audio section, select a particular audio that you might have and that you might want to upload over here. And once you select an audio file, which is basically belongs to you, of course, in this case I'm just choosing for the tutorial only. So you have to pick a genre of your song here. You can describe your track. You can also add a caption to your post, which is quite optional. Now of course, if you want to make it public, you can turn on this toggle, tap the save option, and your song will get successfully posted on SoundCloud. This way you will be able to go ahead and then basically post a particular song on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.